good morning! Happy Friday, everybody! We are on our way to Gateway Mall in Cubao, Quezon City. Say hi, Padir! Yan, si Padir. There's Uncle T and Daddy Mar. Traffic as usual. Have to leave early. That's Ali Mall. Ali Mall ba yan? This was built for the famous boxer Muhammad
yung
Ali.
Wala yan dito.
Muhammad Ali. Srila in Manila. Ano sasabihin mo, Padir?
Yung Alimar sa Manila, yun na lang.
Alimars? Oh nga no, saan yun? Ano yun? Ewan po, dati narinig ko nga yun. Parang Alimar. There, we used to eat lunch there at Ali Mall with my BFF, J-Lo. This used to be bus station, no? Lagpas na pala. Mali na. Oh, we used to eat there. Me and Christina used to eat there at the famous pizza place. Italian pizza. The owner was Italian. Gourmet pizza. BPI, the Bank of the Millionaires. Gateway, I can see Gateway now. Yep. Gateway. And there's Burger King here. Dito kayo naglakad, diba, dati? Whopper. Oh, you will like Whopper Burger, babe. It's like just the... Oh, we have Burger King. They have Burger King. That's why you laugh, because you know Burger King. Louisiana Kitchen, babe. Popeyes. McDonald's. So many fast foods in the Philippines tells you that Filipinos love to eat.
Ito talaga matagal na to, no?
We love to eat wherever we go. Hi guys. The vlogger is vlogging the vlogger.
Great. Hi guys, so we are in Gateway. Diretso. Sumuning! Ate, sumuning! And this is the Gateway. Bunot ako eh. Sabi teka. Dati kasi wala ito. Ito tita na yung sinasabi ko sa yung tumutunog oh. Yung tumutunog sa sapatos. choose stairs or escalator. Okay. Oh, do you want the elevator? Oh. Yung GoPro ko. Oh. Man.
You can get
Shake and rattle on roll.
This is Team One. He asked me if
They have a lot of like junk food.
oh, you want this? You want hindi maaga pa eh. Mag-CR muna daw siya. We're gonna look for a map. Okay, kung kailangan, pumasok na siya. Para ano. Aswak is Lolo. Si Lolo Jose. Oh, saan? Si Lolo ay papunta sa Max Restaurant.
Lagpas na.
Doon kakain si Lolo. Lolo! Ayun yung ice cream nung ano.
Wow. Ano yan, libre?
Yeah, dito yan.
Ba't may ice cream? Ha? May ice cream.
Kasama ng ano?
Dididip yata.
Si Lolo. Lunch date with Lolo. Lunch date with Lolo.
Nakain ni Lolo. Sarap nakain ni Lolo.
Itong pakanin.
So, in Manam, we're waiting for Tita Ne and Mami Erin and Daddy Mar.
Hindi nga bibili.
Hello po.
Are you liking this job better? Are you liking this job better?
Uy, kain kayo ng ano ba?
Hi guys, we're done eating. Thanks for Manam for a good service. I recommend you guys eating here.
Text me. She told me to text me when we're done.
maraming salamat po sa waiting. Maraming salamat.
Where is the Max? Max is here. Max is here. Max is here. Is this Taco Bell? Is that Taco Bell? Oh. Yummy.
It's okay.
Busog kayo?
Sarap ng kain namin. Hi guys, we're going to anime shop. You gonna go to the bathroom? Hi guys, we're going to the anime shop. No, doon ka sasama ka sa kanila. Wait, Uncle T. Uncle T. Wait. Saan po elevator? Naguguluhan si Uncle T.
Pwede daw sa elevator. Doon na lang tumawid sa taas. Sa level 3.
Muhammad, so that's why Ali Mall, because it was made Muhammad Ali. Ay, baliktad. Here's the Red Monster shop. Uy! Jujutsu Kaisen. Oh. Wow. Jujutsu Kaisen. Yes, sir.